What's going on, guys? Tobias Carter here again, calling out of the beautiful city of Atlanta, Georgia. Hope everyone out there is being safe, washing their hands, and staying prayed up in this time of pandemic and COVID-19, guys. But I want to appreciate, I just want to say I appreciate your time getting on tonight, because I just want to share some information, because I think this is some valuable information, especially what's going on right now. And if you're watching this on Facebook or if you're on the Zoom, I want you to think about these 3 questions real quick. And if I can answer these questions with a simple yes, it should be a no-brainer on why you should make the decision to join the Business Gainz team. And the first question simply is, does this make sense? Simply put, does this make sense? And I will just break down what trading and day trading within the foreign exchange in a second. And number 2, is this a skill that's valuable, especially in a time like this, guys? Think about how many people are being furloughed on and losing their jobs, and businesses are shutting down. And is this something worth knowing? Having that investor mindset, that 1% of the people in the United States who understand how to multiply their money and understand how to invest their money and make their money work for them. Number 3 is, will you get some help? And that's one thing that I love about what we do, not only within the I Am Mastery Academy, but within the Business Gainz team, because everyone is here and willing to help you and willing to help you succeed. Because if I've made a mistake, it makes no sense for you to come in and make the same mistakes over again. We want to see everyone win, because guys, when you look at the foreign exchange market, it is a $5.3 trillion a day market, guys. And everybody, I see people on social media excited, they want to buy stocks, and no knocks on stocks. I do have a stock portfolio, but you have to understand that the foreign exchange and cryptocurrency are where the big boys play, guys. This is where banks make their profits, guys. So with stocks, for example, everything is crashing, everything is going down. You buying into a company hoping that one day they will make a profit and they go up and increase and become a bigger company and their stock price go up. Within the foreign exchange market, see, right now stocks are down. Yes, of course, people are buying in hopes in one day that it will go up, but within the foreign exchange market, it's a $5.3 trillion a day market. So it doesn't matter if the stocks in the United States are going down, Germany going down, it doesn't matter, because every country has their own currency and they're using that currency on a daily basis. And this is an opportunity to make a profit either buying or selling a currency versus each other, guys. And this will be a simple presentation tonight, because I just want you to understand that, number 1, you will get some help, and number 2, how do we really day trade? That's the question everybody asks. Like, how do you do it? What is this? How do you do it? And understand that we do this because we have help within the I Am Mastery Academy, guys. So today, for example, let's talk about some trades that we took today as a team. So again, you will get some help. So let's look at AUDJPY, okay? This is a trade that we took today. And it was called, so how would you feel if you received a text message from a 6 or 7 figure trader and they tell you exactly, hey, buy this pair right now, buy USDJPY right now. You buy the stock at this crossing right here. You don't even have to know exactly what's going on. You just know that the 6 or 7 figure trader that sent you a text message and said buy. Okay, so we took this buy this morning. So I will go over to the chart. You don't have to know everything that's going on. You just need to know how to push buy or sell and work with the team.
Hey,
now, yo.
You're not sharing the screen with the chart on it. You're sharing your other screen.
Gotcha. Okay. let me just share the, can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
All good now.
All right, so we on the USDJPY, right? He said buy. Great, this was early this morning. I got in real quick because he said buy. See this green line is where I got in? This candlestick went up to the blue line. I took profit with 25 pips. And you may not know what the pip is. All you need to know is that's how we calculate money. So let's look at USDJPY with a 25 pip win. Let's say you were able to put a trade size, and this again, guys, let me say this for the lawyers, past results do not guarantee future results. Let's say you put a trade size of $1 on that. That's $232 made in less than an hour. I don't know about your job, but I don't get paid $232 an hour or less, okay? And this is simply, and anyone with a MetaTrader 4 within the I Am Mastery Academy who is subscribed to the education can get this signal. Let's look at another one that we got on today as a team, and we traded live. We, again, with the I Am Mastery Academy, we have live traders who trade throughout the day, and they teach their skills, they teach their techniques, and they teach their methods, right? So we get on Tuesday through Thursday with Manny Quiones. So we looked at AUDJPY. That means the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. Looked at the trade, analyzed the trade. You see this green line, that green entry point? We got in right about there. The harmonic scanner, which is included within the I Am Mastery Academy package that you receive every month, has a take profit of here. I set my take profit for 20 to 25 pips, right? And just kind of show you how many pips. You don't have to know exactly what's going on. This is something that we will go over. It went up 52 pips. I wanted 25 pips, guys. So third trade of the day was AUDJPY. Let's go over here to the pip calculator, right? Let's say you earned 25 pips out of the 52 pips that the trade went. You had a lot size of $1. That's another $232 that you earned within an hour or two, guys. Simply by following the traders, following the instructions that they're giving, because they are working, they're taking the trade, they're showing you exactly what we're doing, and you're able to follow along and enter the trade. You're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself, guys. Now, let's look at a third trade that I took, which is called a teacup. That teacup was on ChefJPY. This is another app that our team used. It's called the Gold Cup. The Gold Cup has several different strategies that's built in within the Gold Cup team that's led by Lasardo Tavares, Kim Torres, Luke Long Money, and Lando Bands, all right? So they all send out different trades, but they have their own strategies and their own techniques. So let's look at the Master Teacups right now. So, and a teacup is simply a technique of trading. You get a text message from Lasardo. You open up the app, and he tells you exactly what your entry point is, what your stop loss is, what your take profit is, guys. So all you really are doing in the beginning, especially, is simply copying and pasting into your MetaTrader 4. Why? And you have the signals right there in front of you, guys. It's like taking the test and the teacher is giving you the answers. It's not even open book. The teacher is giving you the answers to the test, but the results are you earning money, not just earning an A. Okay? So let's look at that ChefJPY on the chart. So again, you see the teacup bowl here, and we can go into little details about how that makes sense, but it comes back down and it goes up to the blue line. All right. Use my tool real quick. That was a good 20 pips. All right. So that's ChefJPY. Let's go to the pip calculator. 20 pips. ChefJPY. Say you have enough money in your account to do a trade size of $1. That's $186, guys, from people sending you signals. I can't make it any simpler than that. I can't explain it any simpler than that. I understand that people are a little nervous about trading. They are a little worried, but understand, guys, we are here as a team. We trade as a team, and we want everybody to win as a team, guys. So understand you have several different tools. The harmonic scanner calls out trades throughout the day. Several of the trades, AUD CAD, USD CAD, all right? And our team also used the Gold Cup, guys. And here's another one, because everybody's all into stocks now. Everybody is ready to buy stocks now, which is great. I am not knocking it, but we have a part of the Gold Cup team, US 30. It's no trades right now, but US 30 are the top 30 companies in the United States of America, guys. So as they move, the stock market moves. So as they move, the America moves. We're able to trade US 30 and make serious profits, whether the economy in the United States is going up or going down. A couple of weeks ago, the United States economy went down 2,000 points and people were panicking and going crazy. They had to stop Wall Street for 15 minutes. But you know what we did within the I Am Master Academy, because we're part of the Gold Cup team and we listened to Kimberly Torres? We made money. We made money on that day, simple as that. And this is just a cutthroat, honest to God, truth presentation. No sales, no hype. This is blue collar. This is what you do. If you're willing to put the work in, guys, if you're willing to sit down and have that big boy conversation about how we can make that money, please get back with the person that invited you to this call. If you haven't, if you're ready to get started right now, because we're going to trade again tomorrow. The country is shut down. People are not going into work. I say this with all seriousness. People are sitting around watching Netflix all day, and you could be learning a skill that could pay you for the rest of your life, but you won't allow it because it's part of a pyramid scheme or an MLM. Get that out of your head, because the last time I checked, Chase has not called me. USAA has not called me. Wells Fargo has not called me and said, hey, Tobias, you have money in this bank account. Let me show you how you can multiply that money on a daily basis. If they call you, that's great. Refer me. But right now, this is word of mouth marketing, guys. And don't let the stigma of, ooh, what's going on, I'm not sure, stop you from changing your future and your financial future and the financial future of your family and your friends and your community, guys. I take this very seriously. So that's why my tone is kind of serious right now, guys. No sales hype, no anything like that. I want to see people win. There are too many people losing right now because of what's going on in the economy. So if you want to change, if you want to do something different, give me a call, get back with the person who got you on this call. Let's get you started. If you have any questions, guys, get your questions answered. But again, let's get you started so we can start trading tomorrow. All right, guys? That's my time. Quick and simple, easy, copy and paste, win profit. We were 3 for 3 as a team today. So guys, Tobias Carter again, calling out Atlanta, Georgia. Stay prayed up, wash your hand. I wish you all continue standing in your greatness. Take care. Peace.